Hello, I'm Zisis. I'm the founder of Pockee. We are in the business of mobile loyalty and engagement offers, and we focus solely on supermarkets. Our team comes from companies like P&G and Accenture, jobs we left 1 year ago with a mission to change the way promotions are done in supermarkets. Nielsen reports that every year, $500 billion are spent in trade promotions, and 6 out of 10 are losing money. So a lot of people trying to solve this problem, but this is a market that is ruled by inconvenience. So you need 5 steps to redeem a single digital promotion. And this is where we started 1 year ago the same way, but not today. So imagine if next time you visit your supermarket, you can save up to 20 to 30% of your bill with a single tap. No clipping, no coupons, no cards, no hassle. And how we do it? We integrate retailers and brands in a way that's easy, fast, and simple for them. And we also offer them great data from shopper analysis and intelligence. But most importantly, we make it easy for the consumer to have all his grocery discounts in one place, his mobile phone, with no hassle. 1 year in the Greek market, we've managed to grow with more than 30% month on month for the last 10 months. Last month, we saved 40,000 euros for our users, and we keep 45% of them after the 4th month. We've convinced the brands. We work with more than 40 brands in the Greek market as we speak. We've convinced the retailers. We cover more than 60% of the retail territory in Greece. And also, we're convincing the users. So 39% month-on-month growth for the last 10 months, and 30,000 active users currently. So the next step for us is to make this big. We will launch in Turkey, which is a growing market with great demographics for us, and then we'll look for other markets. And for that, additionally to the $500,000 euros that we've already raised, we raise a new round in the end of the year. So if you're a partner or an investor and are interested, please reach us. Thank you.
Bravo, Zisis. Have a seat.
Thank you.
So the funding you're seeking is to expand into new markets.
Sorry?
The funding you're seeking is to expand in new markets
Correct.
primarily. What is your game plan to do that?
So the game plan is, what we have to do is to find some, let's say, champions in the market, in retail and brands. So what we are seeking is some people to do the field work and get in the first partnerships, because this is a habit change for the brands and the retailers, and we need the first 2 or 3 deals to make it. And then, of course, we have all the marketing plan.
Sorry if I missed it. Do you have existing partnerships, or are you just going to go and try to build them from scratch?
So we're building them in Turkey, and we try to expand in other countries as well.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you came from P&G, and so did your co-founder, yeah?
Yeah.
And so what problem did you see at P&G that you wanted to solve?
So actually, it's 2 things. The one thing is throwing money where it doesn't, throwing money away, throwing a lot of money because you have it, but you don't get the return you want as a brand. And second thing, you don't have data. So practically, a brand is blind, let's say, from what it gets from the market. And this is the gap we want to fill. And on the other side, the retailers are going through a lot of pain, and they also don't know how to analyze data because they are large corporations with no established analytic teams. So we want to help
So if you
both.
saw this at P&G, how come the brands haven't funded your company?
Sorry?
If you saw this at P&G, how come the brands have not funded your company?
You mean funding like investing?
Mm-hmm.
They don't do this in Greece.
They don't?
They do not do this in Greece. So they don't fund startups.
And what have you learned since you started?
So what we learned is that you have only one person that you have to please, and this is the customers. You have to respect his time and his money, and this is what we're doing.
And
so
who's your customer here?
the one that goes to the supermarket.
So the end user, not the brands, not the grocery stores.
So those are all the means that we want to reach and be convenient for the end customer.
Okay.
Thank you. So what is your distribution plan to increase your user base? How are you increasing your user base?
So the most effective, let's say, acquisition channels are the referral programs, so, which is done organically through our user base, because we can easily offer awards, because this is our business model. And the second thing is the co-marketing plans with the big players. So brands and retailers have large advertising budgets, and we jump in with them because they see the extra value. So it's a win-win for them and us.
I see. So your partners like supermarket chains, they also spend some budget for your
Yes.
user acquisition also.
Correct, because
On the
this is
software.
an extra service for their customers, so they
see,
don't get in the hassle of promotions and coupons.
I see. Like collaborative
Yeah.
campaign also.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. And what is the usage between mobile and web? I suppose you have both.
It's only mobile.
It's only mobile.
Only
Okay,
mobile.
100%.
Yeah.
App?
App.
Okay, I see. Good. Thank you.
Andrea, do you want to jump in?
How hard is it for you to add a partner?
Sorry?
How hard is it for you to onboard a supermarket or a brand onto the platform?
So it's, the first ones are really tough, but then, it goes word of mouth to mouth. And
How long does it take?
So in the first market, it took us around 6 months to
6
establish.
months.
Yeah,
Okay.
establish the first.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.